Is I went and gone. That's good English, yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to G's Autos. Greg here. It's been a long morning. I headed up to the north side this morning to pick up a set of second-hand tyres for Nigel. Got in the car about 5:30 this morning and got up there about 7 o'clock. The reason why I went so far to get a set of tyres was because they're second-hand. Go away. Is because they're second hand and they were so much cheaper. So they only cost me this much, and that included fitting and balancing, which is fantastic. Now they're a set of hand cooks. They're 185 65s on 14s. So they're going on a set of rims I've already put aside for the car. Now if you've been following Nigel's Revival on my Facebook page, you'd know the rims that I'm putting on. They're a set of Deltas. They're a two-colour rim, so on the outside face they're actually a silver finish, and on the inside cuts they're white. Look, they're a little bit rough and beat up, and that's why I'm using them, because they suit the overall look of the car. The tread on the tyres, they're about 95%. They're absolutely fantastic. They look brand new. I wanted that particular size of tyre, and I wanted the Hankook brand, so when it popped up, I was like, yeah, I definitely want to get that. So, and I did. So I'll take you over and we'll have a look at everything. All right, guys, here are the tyres in question. So the tread, hopefully you can see this all right. The tread is really, really good. Like I said, only about 5%, 10% being used. And the mob I got them off, they do a lot of tyre upgrades, rim upgrades. So I'd say that these were taken off a fairly new car and then put aside. So yeah, very happy. Very, very happy. Alright, as mentioned, that's the rims. Hopefully you can see that alright. As I said, look, they're a bit rough, but it's exactly what I wanted. There's scuffing, there's paint missing, but they're going to suit the overall weathered look of the car, which is awesome. Like I said, they're Deltas, and the tyres, they're Hankooks, and they're a 185 65 on 14, and the manufacturing date on these is where's my bearings? 14th week of 2018, so they're pretty bloody new. So they will hopefully be going back on the car this weekend. So there you go, guys, just a quick tyre and rim update. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to get into the rear suspension. It's a bit of a mess under there at the moment, but all the rear suspension will hopefully be going on this afternoon tonight, and I'll do another video when that's all finished. Thanks guys, see ya.